right, today I'm going to be talking to you about the generalized vertebrae. Here's a 3D model of a portion of a spinal column of somebody that had lumbar scoliosis, and they had surgery to correct that. And this model goes from the thoracic 8 all the way to the lumbar 4. So when we're looking at a generalized vertebrae, we have very similar parts, even though the thoracic looks different from the lumbar. The lumbar looks more like a moose, and the thoracic looks more like a giraffe. But both types, along with the cervical vertebrae, start with the body of the vertebrae, which is called the centrum. So we always want to make sure that we're calling it the centrum. Just posterior is the vertebral foramen, and that's where the spinal cord comes through. In a aligned spine, you can see all the way through from top to bottom, but with the scoliosis, that is stopped. The three processes that you see here posteriorly and then laterally are the right, left, transverse processes, and the spinous process. And on those processes, that's where the muscles attach. Right here, these two spots that you can see much better from a lateral side are the facets of the articular process. The articular processes here, they actually articulate with the vertebrae on top. So if you look closely at T9, you'll see that the facet of the superior articular process articulates directly to the anterior articulate process of the T8. So they hold together that way. And then if you turn it sideways, you can see right here, this is the facet of the head of the rib, and that's where on the thoracic vertebrae the ribs attach. So it attaches here, 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 and here. So 12 thoracic vertebrae, 12 ribs on either side. And then you also can see the vertebral arch. And the vertebral arch right here, it actually goes, it's harder to see, but this arch, it contains two different pieces. We have the lamina, which is right here, and then right here is the pedicle. And those are the portions of the vertebral arch.